We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I would like to present you with the flying interface overview for this DJI Mini 3 Pro drone. So in the flying interface here you'll find the mode that your aircraft is currently in. There are 3 modes in total: Cine, Normal and Sport mode. Mine is in Normal mode, as you can see by this N letter. Here you'll get important messages regarding your flight, and by tapping at these messages you are going to launch the flight checklist here with some immediate settings that you might tweak and change before actually flying your aircraft. Here you have the amount of charge or the amount of battery life that your drone has left. Mine has only 27% left, and if you were to tap on it here, you can open this little menu, which will show you how much time is left until the return to home procedure will be initialized, how much of your battery you have left before it will be forced to land itself, whatever it is, and then how many battery life you have until it will just deplete it. The battery will be depleted entirely and your drone will just switch itself off. So here you can also see the RC signal. So this icon shows how strong is the signal between your remote controller and your drone. So mine is excellent. Another next icon shows you the state of your sensors, whether they are working normally or not. Mine are in normal. My sensors are normal, whether they are obstructed, maybe you need to clean them, or something in the vicinity. Next icon shows you the amount of satellites your drone or RC is connected to, which means that the more satellites you'll be able to connect your drone to, or it does it automatically, so the more satellites it will be connected to, the better GPS signal you'll get. These 3 buttons obviously launch the drone settings. So here in the settings you have safety, control, camera, transmission and about sections. This button changes the orientation of your camera between portrait and landscape modes. This allows you to control zoom. And this button switches the focus between automatic and manual modes, and if you were to hold it, you can also manually change your focus. You can also hold the zoom button and zoom this way. This digital button allows you to start recording or end recording respectively. Here you can change the camera mode between photo, video, master shots and clips. You can also enable the slow motion mode if necessary. By tapping at this button, you are opening your video and photo gallery. Then you can switch the camera mode between automatic and pro mode. In pro mode you set all those values manually. Here it shows what height your drone is currently at. Here you can open the map and change the map mode, and this button is for the takeoff. So that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching and bye bye.